In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Discord emojis. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick an emoji you like and add it to your Discord server using the emoji.gg bot, all in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head to emoji.gg. This site hosts a huge collection of static and animated emojis that are ready to use. Take a moment to browse or use the search bar to find something that fits your server's vibe. If you're interested in animated emojis, make sure your server supports them and that you have the right permissions to add emojis. When you find an emoji you want, click it to open its details page. Here, you'll see options related to adding it to Discord. Look for the option that says Add using the bot. This method is convenient because it handles the file and naming for you and avoids the need to manually upload anything. Next, click the option to copy the / command. This is a pre-filled command that the emoji.gg bot will use to add the emoji to your server. If you don't have the bot in your server yet, you'll see an option to add it now. Go ahead and click that, choose your server from the list, and authorize the bot with the requested permissions. After you've added the bot, return to the emoji page if needed and copy the / command again so it's ready to paste. Now switch over to Discord. You can use the desktop app, the browser version, or mobile, whatever you prefer. Select the server where you want the emoji. Keep in mind that you need permission to manage emojis in that server. If you don't have it, ask a server admin to grant access or to run the command for you. Open any channel where you can type, paste the / command you copied, and review the emoji name before you send it. Short, lowercase names without spaces work best and make the emoji easy to search with the colon shortcut. Press enter to run the command. The bot should respond with a confirmation that the emoji was added successfully. If you see an error about permissions or a duplicate name, adjust the name and try again, or check that the bot's role has sufficient permissions. That's it. You can now use your new emoji by typing a colon and the name you chose. If you added an animated emoji, remember that using it in other servers may require Nitro. Enjoy customizing your server and making chat more fun and expressive.